guys, Linda here. Welcome back to the channel. So I know it's been a while since I've uploaded anything, and the reason being is because I contracted a sty during the weekend of my birthday last month, and I've been just trying to let it heal this whole time. It's finally healed, so I'm back, and I'm super excited to show you this recipe here that I felt inspired to make after watching Cheap Lazy Vegan, aka Rosalie, make it on her channel. It is a Mediterranean inspired couscous salad. I've never cooked with couscous before, so this is my first time. So if you want to see how I make this couscous salad, just keep on watching. Okay, so for the ingredients, first off I have some sweet peppers, raisins, couscous of course. I have here some olives, and for protein I'm going to be adding in garbanzo beans. Here I have some cherry tomatoes, and then lemon. I have here some cucumbers, and instead of parsley I'm actually going to be adding in cilantro. I know usually you would add in parsley in a couscous salad, but I've talked about this in a past video. Anytime a recipe calls for parsley, I usually forego it and use cilantro instead. And the reason being is because I prefer the flavor of cilantro over parsley. There's something about parsley that tastes kind of bitter to me, and the almost citrus-like elements of cilantro is what I prefer. So cilantro it is. And I have here a regular yellow onion. I actually went to my local supermarket yesterday looking for red onion, but for some reason the onion display had only 25% of its stock in. Everything else was out of stock, including the red onion. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make do with this for now. Hopefully it'll turn out okay. So now that I have 2 cups of water boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and scoop out 2 scoops of couscous. Once the water's done boiling, I'm just going to add it to the couscous and let it sit for 5 minutes covered, and that should cook it fully. So here's 1 cup, 2 cups, and really I'm only making 2 cups right now because I don't know how much this is going to make. This is my first time making a couscous salad. Once I get a better gauge of how much 2 cups of dried couscous will cook into, I'll know better going forward how to measure my recipes. Here is our hot water. Let's go ahead and just add it in. So I think from here you just lightly stir it and then cap it for at least 5 minutes. Go ahead and set it to the side. Over 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and just fluff up the couscous now with a fork. Okay, so basically everything is ready to assemble. I have my garbanzo beans, my raisins, and then all the vegetables. So for seasoning, I have here some black pepper, some raspberry balsamic vinegar, a little bit of pink salt, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and a little bit of basil leaves as well. So this is what it's looking like so far. Oh, it looks so good. I added in some extra virgin olive oil just to help all the flavors combine more easily. Alright, so I just finished taking some pictures for Instagram. I'm gonna go ahead and taste test it now to see if all the flavors are there. And in Rose's original recipe, she actually used vegan feta cheese, but I didn't have time to get any, so this is going to be without that. But I'm sure it's still gonna be super delicious. Thanks again for watching, guys, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!